Okay, it's afternoon. Taking a look at the roof. We got mirrors. You'll notice chickens are quiet. It's siesta time. I'm not going to walk above the mirror line because it gets kind of hot. See my shadow in that direction? Light's going. Huge. There's that fifth tile that's broken. Looking down, we still got water dribbling out from under. That's how cold it is. Lots of photons being ejected back to space. And that side of the roof has got problems, so it's got a tarp on it. Again, still dribbling water. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. This one is undergoing a scientific dirt study. Could have washed it, probably should have, but that's what it looks like if you forget to wash it for 6 months. If you look between the tiles, you can see there's still moisture underneath. And that's the other one. Those, I think I've mentioned, they broke like a month after I installed them, and that was 5-6 years ago. Anyway, it's about 110 square feet of mirror, and it helps to keep my house cool, and it helps to keep the planet cool. How cool is that?